So today is the 3rd of February 2026. We're about 20 minutes away from the RBA's decision on interest rates. And I just wanted to go through some of the reasons behind the data and the reason why it's most likely going to go up. Most of the pundits, the banks are already calling for it, but let's see what they do in 20 minutes. So firstly, CPI rose to 3.8% to December 2025. The thing that's causing concern is this has increased from 3.4% the month prior. So now it's sitting at 3.8. The biggest contributors were housing, which we all know why. We have incredible demand from migration in particular and people purchasing properties, and you have not enough supply, as in existing stock and also new stock that's coming online to the market. You also had food go up as well as some recreation and culture. This is sort of expected as well because it includes the December period where people are going on holidays and people are spending more. So the thing that's concerning the RBA, and this is where pundits are saying why are they increasing after just 1 month of data. The thing is, it's consistently been going up since June of 2025. There's 6 months or so of data of sustained price growth. Yes, we had a small blip in November, which was down, but overall you can see the trend, which is clear as day, it's going upwards. So the RBA's target is between 2 and 3%. It's sitting at 3.8%, which is almost double. So this is why the RBA will most likely increase rates in a few minutes. So if we look overall, goods inflation was sitting at 3.4%. You had services inflation growing at 4.1%. But one of the biggest contributors to all of this stuff was electricity. So something I've been going on about over the last year or so. The energy rebates, which were part of Labor's policy, have now stopped, and this is causing electricity prices to absolutely skyrocket. So this is even though we've had record investment in green energy, we've also had the power plants and all the old type of energy generation all starting to close down as we rely more heavily onto the green energy sector. But in saying that, prices are still continually going up. So once we take out the rebates, you can see here that electricity rose by 21.5%. So this is having a massive impact on CPI. And this is again higher than from the previous month of 19.7% in November. So if we look here, this chart is very telling. So you can see here the price of electricity, assuming the energy rebates. A reminder that 100 is the number. So anything above 100 is an increase and anything below is a decrease. So you can see here with the energy rebates, things have sort of gone down. However, things are on their way back up. If we take out the energy rebates, you can see here that electricity prices have consistently just continued to keep growing.